Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up your account once you have made your purchase. At this point, you should be on the account homepage, which you got to by clicking the setup link. And in here, you can see that I am signed in as my test user, Chris. The first thing what we need to do is add some people to our team. So we're going to go to the My Team link and click that. And you will see you are listed there and the number of seats you have remaining on your team. From here, it's very simple. You click on Add Member, and we're going to add two members in this demonstration. First is going to be Jody, which will be my spouse, and Smith, and we will use a fake email address for her, Jody Smith at yopmail.com. And I'm going to make her a manager since she is going to be managing the account as well as me. It's very simple. You click on Add Member. It'll take a second as it goes through and creates all the system accounts in both this system and in the actual app. So stand by for just a second. It just takes a second to get through. So that is done. Jody was added to the team. So now we go back and look at our members, and you will see that Jody Smith is now added as a member. Now she would have gotten an email in her email account, and so we will go over to Yopmail and take a look. So we will sign in as Jody Smith here. Um, Jody Smith. And you will see that she has received an email that gives her her username to sign in with and a auto-created password, and that password can be changed in the app. So now we're going to go back and add a child account. And the child account is basically the same thing. You're going to go to Add Member. We're going to create a new user called Alex Smith. And his address will be alexsmith at yopmail.com again. And we're going to leave him in the member role. So we'll go ahead and click Add Member. Again, this will take a few seconds to go through and create the accounts in the local system as well as out into the cloud so that the user can use the app. So now that these two people have been added to the family, when we go back and look at the members of the family, you're going to see that there are three members and you have three seats left. So from here, I'm already signed in as Chris Smith right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the IGT web app. And so I'm going to click up here in the header to go to the app. And what that's going to do is bring me to the actual app within the space. And now you can see that my family has three members, including myself. And from here, the next task that we're going to do is going to be to create a task for Alex. And so we're going to go into tasks. And the task we're going to create today is going to be take out the garbage. And we want Alex to do this every night. So simply click on Advanced Task, put in a task name. And we're using an advanced task because we want this to be a recurring task. And the task title is Take Out Kitchen Garbage. And we want this to be assigned to Alex, not to me. And we want the frequency to recur. And that is going to recur every 1 day. So it'll happen every day. And we'll select every 1 day. And that's really all you need to do. You can go ahead and submit this if you want. You can see the other features. Right now, this is using the defaults of 15-minute task duration. Probably shouldn't take that long, but you never know. It will send an initial alert 5 minutes before he's supposed to start, and it will send a follow-up alert every 5 minutes until he started, and it will send a focus alert every 5 minutes until it's completed. These are all the defaults, and he will earn 2 tokens for starting the task and 3 more as a bonus for starting on time, 2 for finishing it, and 3 more for finishing it on time. So if he starts and completes it on time, he'll earn a total of 10 tokens. You can also allow the task to be rescheduled or skipped if you choose. But these are all the defaults right now. So we're going to go ahead and say create task. And that is it. It's done. And now we can go and look at manage tasks, and you will see Alex has the next task of managing his tasks at 11:42 in the morning. Now, obviously, you're going to want to change that for whatever makes sense for you. So if you want to have him take out the garbage in the morning or take it out in the afternoon or evening, you can go ahead and do that. So we're going to go back to create task. And again, you can create any other task you want for anybody. And there's a whole separate tutorial on tasks. But again, this is just the quick setup. So now that we have created a task, it's time to create a reward. So we're going to go in and we are going to add a reward. And adding a reward is very simple. You go and give the reward title. And in this case, the title will actually be choose what's for dinner. And we will put in a description. You get to pick what is for dinner. And you can select the total number of tokens. So we're going to make this real easy. He just has to get 30 tokens to be able to choose what is for dinner. So we're going to set that and click save. And now that is it. That is all that is necessary for setting up the account. Alex will get a reminder every day at the 11:42 right now to go ahead and take out the garbage. And when he does, he will earn tokens. And he'll then be able to redeem these tokens for choosing what's for dinner. Now, obviously, you can go in, add a lot of other rewards into the system if you choose. But again, this is just a quick video to show all that's necessary. Just set up 1 or 2 tasks. Just set up 1 or 2 rewards. Let the kids wade in, make it easy so that they can get their tasks and be able to earn their rewards. And you will have happy kids and you'll have a happier life as they are more interested in actually getting stuff done. So that's all. Thanks for your time.